Imagine stepping outside on a quiet October night. The world is asleep, the air is cold, and the stars above seem unusually bright. Then, without warning, a streak of fire cuts across the sky, followed by another and another. What you're witnessing isn't a dream. It's the Draconid Meteor Shower of 2025, and this year, it might just be one of the most unforgettable sky shows in recent history. NASA astronomers call it the dragon's breath from the stars, a celestial storm born from the remnants of a mysterious comet named 21P Giacobini Zinner. Every year in early October, Earth drifts through the dusty trail this comet left behind. But this year, something is different. The trail is denser. The debris is thicker. And scientists say we might see up to hundreds of meteors per hour, all exploding in the upper atmosphere in brilliant flashes of blue, white, and gold. It's not just another meteor shower. It is one of those rare cosmic events where the universe seems to be putting on a show just for us. The Draconids get their name from Draco, the dragon-shaped constellation in the northern sky. Unlike most meteor showers that appear best in the early morning, the Draconids are special. They strike right after sunset. That means millions of people will be able to see them without staying up all night. Ancient cultures once believed these meteors were the fiery tears of dragons guarding the heavens. Today, we know they're tiny fragments of cosmic dust, burning up as they enter Earth's atmosphere. But somehow, when you see one, it still feels magical, like the universe is whispering directly to you. Astronomers are buzzing with excitement, and maybe just a hint of nervous energy. In 1933 and again in 1946, the Draconids unleashed meteor storms so intense that people saw thousands of meteors raining down per minute. Radio signals went dead. Pilots reported strange flashes. And for a few brief minutes, the night sky looked like it was on fire. Could it happen again in 2025? Experts say there's a real chance. This year, Earth's orbit is passing through a thicker part of the comet's dust trail, the same region that caused those legendary outbursts nearly a century ago. No one knows exactly what we'll see, but one thing is for sure, the Draconid Meteor Shower 2025 could be one of the brightest light shows of the decade. If you're lucky enough to have clear skies on October 8, 2025, step outside around nightfall. Find a dark spot, far from city lights. Lie back, look north, and keep your eyes near the Draco constellation, but don't focus too hard on one place. The meteors can appear anywhere across the sky. You don't need a telescope. You don't need binoculars. You just need a few minutes of patience, and maybe a warm blanket. And when the first streak of light flashes above, remember, that glowing dust particle might have been floating through space for thousands of years, waiting for this exact moment to burn up just for your eyes. Every meteor is a cosmic story. A fragment of rock, smaller than a pebble, enters the Earth's atmosphere at speeds of up to 40 miles per second. As it burns, it releases energy, enough to briefly shine brighter than a star. Multiply that by hundreds per hour, and you get the awe-inspiring canvas that is the Draconid Meteor Shower. But beyond the beauty, there's something deeper here. Meteor showers remind us how connected we are to the universe, that even as we live our busy lives, the Earth is constantly sailing through an ocean of ancient cosmic debris. Every streak of light is a reminder. We're part of something vast, mysterious, and incredibly old. In 2011, astronomers noticed something strange, a small spike in the Draconid count during a quiet year. It wasn't a storm, but it was enough to cause concern for satellites. Why? Because too many particles hitting at high speed can damage equipment in orbit. That's why in 2025, space agencies will be watching closely. Not just for beauty, but for data. Every flash tells scientists something about the density of space dust, the aging of comets, and how debris clouds evolve over time. So when you watch the meteors fall, know this. You're not just witnessing beauty. You're helping scientists understand the story of our solar system, one falling star at a time. Here's a little secret. The Draconids don't always perform. Some years, you might only see a few faint streaks. But when they do, when everything aligns perfectly, they can turn the sky into a river of light. That's the beauty of it. You never know what you'll get. And that's exactly why skywatchers around the world are preparing. Cameras ready, eyes to the heavens, waiting for the dragons to wake. So, if you're watching this, mark the date. October 8th, 2025. Step outside. Look up. Because for one night, the universe is going to paint the sky with fire, a reminder that even in our age of technology and noise, nature still holds the power to take our breath away. And maybe, just maybe, you'll see something no one else will, a meteor so bright it feels like it was meant just for you. Because that adds the beauty of the cosmos. It doesn't care who is watching. It just shines.